Welcome back to Quiz Falcon. Can you pass this general knowledge animals quiz test? In this video, you have to guess 30 easiest animals quiz in 10 seconds each. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more fun quizzes. Let's get started. What animal is known as the ship of the desert? Which animal is known for its black and white stripes? Which animal is known to have a powerful bite? What do you call a baby goat? Which animal is known for its long neck? Which animal is known to laugh like humans? What kind of animal is a penguin? Which animal is known to hibernate during winter? What do you call a group of crows? Which mammal is known to have the best memory? What animal is known for its ability to change gender? Which bird is known for its ability to kill snakes? What is the most widely used spice in the world? Which animal is known for its ability to survive extreme dehydration? What is the most intelligent species of fish? Which bird is known for its ability to build the largest nest? What is the most widely consumed vegetable in the world? Which animal is known to glow in dark? What is the most deadly plant to animals? What is the largest bird in the world? Which animal is known for its impressive memory? What do you call a baby bear? Which animal is the only one that can't jump? What is the largest type of deer in the world? Which animal is known for having a long tongue to catch insects? What do you call a group of kittens? Which animal is known to have 3 eyelids? What is the smallest mammal in the world? Which animal is known for its ability to play dead? What do you call a baby kangaroo?